Hey players, today I'm playing Hide and Seek Extreme. Now we are just selecting the map. I'm sorry I started late. And we are at the backyard. For those of you who do not know what Hide and Seek Extreme is, it's like playing the game Hide and Seek. Just that it's in Roblox and one person has to be it. The others will have to go and hide anywhere. And I'll tell you the spawn points. For this game, the spawn point is actually here at the bird house, if I'm not wrong. Bird house. So eventually you have to, there is also coins around the map which you can collect and eventually spend on the in-game avatar products like my pet Abed. And there are teleporters around the map, like just now. We just encountered a teleporter. This teleporter though is leading from the top of the birdhouse to the stove. I am not so sure whether it's called a stove or what. Anyway, this game allows you to hide in many different areas, like this flower pot. I'll show you a view. So this is the flower pot I am in, and the hider, that's the hider over there. In this game, you can also use this mode called Spectate It. So there we go. That's how to kill. How the it apparently catches one player. This is a shop, so there's characters for you to use to catch people, and taunts. There's also pets, like I said, and there's also misc. I'm not so sure what it's. Oh, okay. It gives you coins to spend on the avatar items I just said. Okay. Let me stop spectating. Eventually that guy went away, and now I'm so scared because I'm alone in this. He's there. What? See. This is him. That's me over there. The flower pot. He didn't even notice. He's just like, okay, there's nobody in here. Fine, I go other places. And then he goes to other places. Eventually, hopefully, as I was saying, hopefully he doesn't find me in that flower pot, because there is a teleporter up there. He doesn't know. He's like, oh, there's one player over there. Let me go search the bird house first. And he's like, oh, there's no players. I think that person already went away, so I won't search that area. I won't seem to go catch that player. This feels so easy to just go and find. I used to waiting at the sofa collecting the coins, but now I don't think so, because you see the sofa mattress is actually springy, like it bounces, let you bounce in order to collect the coins. So I'm like, meh, I don't want to hide in there. Oh, and at the walls over there, I can't remember which one, apparently, there is a secret passageway that's camouflaged within the wall, and it's so good. I think this guy's a noob. He's like go around. Oh my god! I thought he was nearly going to stick himself to the glue, but but come to think of it, I don't think you can. So if you like hide and seek, you like Roblox, this is a perfect game for you. And Oh, of course, there is a countdown from 3 minutes, forgot what, seconds to 0, of course. 0, 0, 0. Okay, he's coming near me, he's coming near me. Oh, wasn't it the same player that went to the bird feeder thingy? Okay, that's me. Hopefully he doesn't come. Because I really hate it. Okay, 9, 8, he's just gonna go AFK. 4, 3, 2, 1, boom! I win. Along with some other players, I win. Now, apparently now we are choosing another map. Hopefully it won't be the backyard. Okay, the kitchen. There's some awesome places that I'm gonna show you. But right now, let's just wait for our, apparently the max, if I'm not wrong, the max players is 10, because the last time I've seen people play it was actually like, I'm just gonna retrieve my coins since nobody's coming to retrieve them. Then I'll just go back to where I want to show you guys what is the place that I want to show you. Ah, she's going in. She just teleported. You see, this sink is very magical. You see this hole? Step on it, boom, you're up. SeanHui23, if you are watching this video, you are actually in this video. I don't know whether you wish to subscribe or not. Maybe you can even friend me, I don't know. Just, do all the necessary things I will say in every video I post. If you know that is. Okay, that's one person. Okay, 4 minutes for us to hide, and for 4 minutes for the seeker to hide. Oh, come on! You didn't give me a warning. Fine. Anyway, I got caught. This is what happens when you get caught. When you get caught, it's like you can't play anymore. You must spectate the game. So this is it. I'm not gonna watch her, him or her, whatever. Oh my god, this guy's just standing on the fridge door. I believe she's up. Okay, she's up there. He's down here. Next player. Currently spectating Egar 112211. Whose eyeball is that? Anyway, never mind. SeanHui, wow, he gone to another place where's he? Oh, I think he's at the cabinet or something. So SeanHui, I believe you will win this game. And if you eventually win this game, you just, who is this? Snores. He looked like the previous seeker that. Oh, okay, he's there. That's his eyeball. That one. Gem blocks of the blah blah. 13 Yena 02. And this is the 8. So in every place that in the backyard and kitchen, there is one secret place where you can hide. Like, oh my gosh, he's just down there. SeanHui, don't forget it. You got caught. So as I was saying, in the kitchen, in the oven, if you go walk around, you suddenly go down. No, you didn't jump. You don't jump. You just walk down. That is a secret area where a lot of hiders know, including me. I know that place like long ago. So whoever will be it next, you better watch out for this area. Everybody watch out. Okay. There used to be players here I saw. Or was it another cupboard? Can't remember. Ah, okay. He's trying his very best to just get up. Jump. Press the space bar. just press the space bar and go up at the same time. That will give you a lot of boost. I told you they were in a cupboard, but I just don't know which cupboard. I'm sorry I AFK a little, and wow, when I came back it's like the store. So I will be AFKing about a little bit because I have to get my lunch. I cooked it, I steamed it. I won't tell you what I'll be eating, but I will only tell you that I steamed it. I steamed my lunch. That's all. Oh, I want to show you some secret places you can go to when you play this game. So right here is actually a secret area. We teleported from down there to up here. So this is actually the ceiling of it, of the whole store. Come on. This is actually the ceiling of the whole store, and like, I have to admit, it's wow. I mean, you have to like admit that it's so cool that you also don't even know. So right now I'm just collecting my coins, and hopefully no one collects my coins that I really wanted. And obviously there are some people who really need to get up. Like me, I had to jump down because, oh my god! That was a seeker. The seeker, what's that? I'm sorry, but as I was saying, the seeker was just right down there, and she didn't even see me. Oh, that's one secret area. I didn't. To be honest, I didn't know. The box inside got coin though, so I'm gonna collect my coin and collect my coins because like I already have 182 credits. They call it credits. I don't know why. Oh, that's one secret area though. This is quite deep, I'll say. Wait, what was that? Oh wow, there's a secret area. But I won't be hiding here. I was just only showcasing it, and there she is, the seeker. Or is it he? Because it's like the seeker was just right there. Okay, I'm gonna hide in a box, and I'll let you go see what the seeker is up to. But anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll play hide and seek extreme anytime soon. Bye. So let's go spectate it, and yeah. Oh, that's a secret area, by the way. That's a secret area. You can go jump in, and it's quite pitch black inside. See? So actually, the springy pad is unknown because we don't really know where's the springy pad. Oh, and there goes one player. We don't know where the springy pad is, or it could be just the whole floor. So yeah. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and hope you click that subscribe button and play this game. It will bring the creator lots of joy and lots of happiness. Bye.